Feeling invincible. Unraveling the power within. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and empowering phrase in the English language, feeling invincible. This expression is not just about words. It's about an emotion, a state of mind that can inspire and motivate. Let's explore what it means to feel invincible, how to use this phrase in everyday English, and why it's such a powerful concept. Feeling invincible refers to a state of mind where a person believes they can overcome any obstacle, challenge, or difficulty that comes their way. It's when you feel so strong, capable, and confident that you think nothing can defeat you. This feeling can be temporary, often fueled by adrenaline, success, or profound happiness. It's a powerful emotion that can push individuals to perform at their best. To understand feeling invincible better, let's look at some real-life examples. Athletes often describe feeling invincible when they're on a winning streak or after achieving a personal best. Another example can be found in moments of great personal achievement, such as acing an exam or receiving a promotion. In these moments, the overwhelming sense of joy and accomplishment makes people feel unstoppable. For English language learners, understanding phrases like feeling invincible is crucial not just for language proficiency but also for grasping cultural nuances. This phrase embodies a deep sense of optimism and resilience, qualities that are highly valued in many English-speaking cultures. It can also be motivational, encouraging learners to persevere in their language learning journey with the belief that they can overcome any challenge. Now, let's see how to incorporate feeling invincible into your English conversations. After finishing the marathon, I felt invincible. The team's victory left them feeling invincible against their rivals. Overcoming my fear of public speaking made me feel invincible. Remember, using such expressive phrases enriches your language and helps you convey emotions more effectively. Feeling invincible is more than just a phrase. It's a testament to the human spirit's ability to face challenges with strength and courage. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the meaning and use of feeling invincible, but also inspired you to embrace this powerful state of mind in your daily life and language learning journey. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, sometimes feeling invincible is all you need to make your dreams a reality. See you in the next video.